In this video, I'd like to offer a simple reminder that we can always create our own calm. We can always create our own sense of calmness within ourselves and around us. Sometimes, if we're lucky, we live in a very, very positive, uplifting, tranquil environment. We have nice people around us, we enjoy what we're doing, we look forward to waking up in the morning, we look forward to going to sleep at night. If we live in a very, very positive and calming environment, that's wonderful. We're very lucky. Just by our existing, we're going to accumulate this positivity within our system. But if we're in an environment where there's some negativity, there's maybe some challenges, some things that don't go exactly the way we would like them to go, then perhaps we're not going to feel very calm. We're not going to feel very grounded, and we're not going to feel very happy because we're not in the flow of life. Sometimes we can get the world around us to change. That's very convenient when that happens. We can fix everything around us, and then it can fix us. But in a lot of cases, we can't change what's going on around us. So we have to create our own sense of calm. Sometimes just reminding ourselves that we can create our own calm. We can create our own world where we're feeling positive, we're feeling healthy, we're feeling vitality, we're doing the things that we want to do. We can create that. To some extent, maybe it's just very small, maybe it's very large, but just take that intention, empower yourself, give yourself the permission to create your own calm in a very busy world. I think as time goes on, the world is going to get a little bit busier. It's very loud right now. There's lots of different noise in the world, and that's totally fine. There's a lot of good noise, and there's some noise that's not so productive. But what we have to do is create our own calm so we can navigate and move forward through this world. You can do it. Everybody can do it. We just have to remind ourselves to do it. We can do this when we wake up in the morning, just remind ourselves. But we can also, of course, do this during our Qigong practice, when we're breathing, when we're moving lightly, when we're focusing our mind on something that we want it to be on. We can create this calm. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Communi Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.